We don't want you in Guru, Bebeku. We don't want you in Arua, Bebeku, Northern Uganda. Don't step. Don't step in Kitigum. Don't step in this Northern Uganda. Don't step. We don't want you because you treated our people. Oh, you beat our what are you in NRM? What are you? Just a voter in NRM government? Just a voter? Blocking Bebeku from accessing West Nile, going to Guru to perform for NRM, going to Chitigum to perform for NRM, and you think you have the capacity? You try it. If you think you own it, I swear today, I don't know the day today, but I swear, save this video, Bebeku is going to come to Arua. He is going to perform. In fact, he's going to come there one day earlier. He's going to sleep there. Bebeku is going to come to Guru and perform for NRM. He's going to be there in Chitigum and perform for NRM. If you think you own Guru, that is the day you're going to know that actually Bebeku owns Guru. If you think you own Arua, that you can block Bebeku from performing in Arua for NRM rallies, that is the day you are going to know that actually the real owner of Arua is Bebeku. If you think you own Chitigum where Bebeku is not going to perform, that's the day you are going to know that Bebeku is the real and the first class owner of Chitigum. Many people keep telling you truth that please, this government does not value you. You are nothing for them. You are just a voter. But you get that truth, you fold it, put it in your dirty ambits, put the propaganda on your face, and you keep moving with the propaganda. You even go deep in the villages to confuse the villagers that these people are good. Now you are complaining, yeah, and stop your stupidity. Now you want you 2, 3 came to perform in NRM rallies. Now you went back, now you are turning it from NRM rallies to we were the Baganda in Central. They don't like us. They never allowed us to perform. The thing is clear. You came to perform for NRM rallies, not Uganda rallies. That's why I'm like, you get the truth, you put it in your dirty ambits, then you keep spreading propaganda. You want to cause hatred between 2 regions or 3 regions, that yet the reality, you know the reality. You see that? You are nothing. You are just a voter to NRM. But you want to assume significance in NRM that you are very important. Yet you know the truth. And that truth, you keep it in your ambits and you keep spreading propaganda to people around. What are you? I swear, I repeat, Bebeku, the man from Chiwachure, is going to come in Guru and perform. He's going to even, you will do nothing. Try it at your own risk. You try to confront him, you will be taken to jail. You will rot in Luzira without even any court file. I repeat, Bebeku, the man, the Gaga male CEO, the man from Chiwachure, is going to perform in Guru. You will do nothing. Just because you think you are very important in NRM, yet you are nothing. You are just assuming significance. Many people tell you the truth, and you keep that truth in your dirty ambits, and you keep spreading propaganda around. Feel it. We are going to feel it. We shall feel it. It is just the start. I don't care who was beaten on stage, who was what. But thank God, you are just beaten and left. Next time you might be killed. That's the government you are. That's the government you are supporting, and you try to complain. You go to Luzira without court files. You wrote there. You try it. And Bebeku is going to perform in Arua, is going to perform in Yumbe, in West Nile, in Northern region, in Chitigum. You do nothing. Keep assuming significance in NRM that you are very important. That's when you know. You know that they own West Nile, they own that Arua. You think is yours. You know that they own that leader. They own that Guru. You think you own. He's going to come there and perform. Try at your own risk. Try to attack him at your own risk. Keep assuming significance in NRM. As a musician, as an MC, somebody would rather expose you to the world than confronting you and giving you some little money, which is not even long-lived. Hadikas is nothing. They rather expose you to the world gets to know you, and then you can earn all the money you want. But giving you even, I don't think I reach even 1 million. giving you, one day keeps you confronted, then you think you have significance. Suffer. We are going to testify. We are going to live to tell a testimony. Stop wasting your time and stop making noise and stop separating regions for things you know. You know the source. You came. 2 people were selected. You came to Central. You came to perform for NRM. If it was, the theme is clear for NRM rallies. Now you want to leave that alone. You even start His Excellency, thank you so much. Then you leave that one aside. The main rally which was there, then you want to turn it. The rally, we want to turn it upside down. You want to start talking that the Central people. Are you okay in brain? Are you okay? Are you okay upstairs? Are you okay? Are you okay? Was it a Uganda rally? Are you okay in the brain? Are you okay? Do you think you are reasoning? What brought you? The stage was for NRA. The theme is clear. Now you want to turn it upside down and cause hatred between two regions. Stop separating people. Stop separating people. People are relating well. Stop separating people. With your issues in something on NRM stage, you want to bring it to be a regional matter. What are you trying to do? But people from this central, the Baganda are doing this. What are you doing? Try to reason. Try to reason. Put on some piece of brain. The fact is you are nothing to NRM. You are just a voter in NRM. And stop assuming significance.